Hi guys! So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang variable, separable, exact, non-exact, and Bernoulli. So let's go. Let's start. Variable, separable. So ang definition nito ay it is a function of two independent variables said to be uh, separable if it can be demonstrated as a product of two functions. So the word separable is separate natin yung dalawang variable, yung variable x tsaka variable y. So para mas maintindihan natin to, magbibigay tayo ng example.
So ito guys, meron tayo ditong example. So ito ay isang variable separable na equation. 2x y plus 2y times dx minus y dy equals 0. So kailangan lang nating separate itong dalawang variables. So dito meron siyang x and y na variable, kaya kailangan natin siyang i-separate. So para mas maging madali is ilabas natin itong 2y. So magiging siya 2y, then ang matitira dito is x plus 1 dx minus y dy equals 0. Then pagkatapos nyan guys is nalabas na natin yung 2y. So i-divide natin siya para ma-eliminate natin yung gusto nating eliminate. So dito is i-divide lang natin siya. Dito may isang variable na lang. So dito lang tayo magpo-focus. So dito para mawala tong variable y na to is i-divide natin siya sa 2y. So i-rewrite lang natin para mas maintindihan. So 2y times x plus 1 dx minus y dy equals 0. So dito guys, i-divide natin siya both sides to 2y. So 2y, then 2y, tsaka dito rin 2y. So makakancel natin dito yung 2y. Then dito is ang y, makakancel natin yung y. Then ang matitira is x plus 1 dx minus dito is magiging 1/2 dy equals 0. So makikita nyo guys na separate na natin siya kasi dito puro na siya x, tsaka dito y na lang ang natira, kaya separate na natin siya. Then pag na-separate na natin is dito natin sisimulan mag-integrate. So integrate natin to, ito, tsaka itong 0. So integral nitong x plus 1 dx is x squared over 2, then plus the integral of dx is x, then minus 1/2, then integral ng y is ng dy is y equals integral ng 0 is constant. So ito na ang magiging final answer natin, variable x and variable y. So variable separable na siya guys. So dito naman sa exact guys, to test kung exact ba siya or non-exact. So ang gagamitin nating equation is ito. So derivative of m in terms of y is equal to derivative of n with respect to x. So malalaman mong exact siya kapag equal silang dalawa, equal yung function m and function n natin. So meron tayong dalawang way para sa pag-solve para sa kukuha ng solution ng exact. Yung una is f of x comma y is equal to the integral of m, yung m of x comma y dx plus g of y. Pag i-integrate natin siya in terms of x, so yung sagot natin dito is
Magdi-derive naman tayo dito in terms of y. So
copy lang natin to, then magiging g prime na siya kasi in-integrate natin siya dito. So magiging g prime of y na siya equals to n of x comma y. So yung n natin, ito yung ilalagay natin dyan. pagkatapos nating makuha ang sagot dito,
magiging g of y na siya dito kasi mag-i-integrate pa tayo dito pagkatapos nating i-derive. So, integral ng g prime of y is g of y.
then equals to integral of g prime of y dy. So, yung sagot natin dito, yung ilalagay natin dito. So, same lang din siya sa solution to. Ang kaibahan lang is, ang integrate natin dito is yung n. For non-exact differential equation naman is, ang general form, katulad lang din ng exact. M of x, y dx plus n of x, y dy equals 0. Where partial derivative of m with respect to y is not the same to n with respect to x. So for the solution of non-exact, guys, para makuha natin siya, para ma-solve natin siya, is meron tayong dalawang case. Yung case 1 natin, 1 over n, yung n natin, ilalagay natin dito, times to the derivative of m with respect to y minus derivative of n with respect to x equals to f of x. Then, the integrating factor of e to the integral of f of x dx. So, same lang siya sa case 2. Dito naman yung m naman natin yung gagamitin natin. Same lang siya, guys. G of y lang dito. So, nakuha natin siya sa case 1, yung problem kanina. Case 1 yung gagamitin natin. Ito, guys, meron tayong example ng non-exact. So, same lang siya sa exact, guys. Para sa pag-test ng yung test for exactness natin is gagamitin lang natin yung ito, yung m natin. Then, ito yung n. Para simplify muna natin, distribute muna natin tong x dito para meron lang tayong dalawang function. Ito, function m, function n. So, magiging copy lang natin tong 4xy plus 3y squared minus x dx plus, so, x times x is x squared, then plus x times 2y is 2xy dy equals 0. So, ayan. Pag na-simplify na natin, is ito na yung final m natin. Final m, then yung n. So, meron na tayong dalawang function. To test for exactness, ganun lang din. Derivative of m in terms of y is dito yung m natin dito is 4xy plus 3y squared minus x. So, dito, iti-treat natin yung x as constant. Down lang natin si 4x. Then, derivative ng y is 1 in terms of y. Plus, so, derivative ng 3x squared is 3y squared is 6y. Then, derivative ng x is 1 lang siya, guys. So, constant yan. 1. So, final natin dito is 4x plus 6y. 4x plus 6y. Dito naman, with respect to x, yung n natin, yung i-derive natin. So, dito, iti-treat naman natin yung y as constant. Derivative ng x squared is 2x plus y natin dito is constant. Tapos, yung 2, down lang natin siya. Then, i-derive lang natin yung x. So, 1. Derivative ng x. In terms of x is 1. So, final answer natin dito is 2x plus 2y. So, as you can see, guys, hindi sila parehas. So, non-exact to. Non-exact.
Sa Bernoulli's equation naman, guys, is meron tayong dalawang case, yung case 1 at saka case 2. So kapag ang general form niya is itong dy over dx is ito yung gagamitin nating integrating factor, and ito naman yung para sa solution. Then pag yung general form niya is dx over dy, so ito naman yung integrating factor niya at yung solution. So parehas lang sila ng process sa pagkuha ng solution, guys. Ang kaibahan lang nito ay yung variable na ginamit. Katulad ng sa case 1, variable x yung ginagamit, tsaka sa case 2 is yung variable y yung ginamit. Yun lang, guys. Sorry, hindi tayo makapagbigay ng example sa Bernoulli's equation kasi wala nang time. So that's all. Thank you for watching.